In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign a PDF with DocuSign, step by step. Whether you're sending contracts, agreements, or any official document, DocuSign makes the process fast, secure, and completely digital. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload your PDF, add signature fields, and prepare it for signing in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Once you're logged into your account, look at the top navigation menu and click on Templates. Using a template is a great option if you plan to reuse the same document layout multiple times. After you click on Templates, go ahead and click on Create Template. This will allow you to set up a new document that you can use to collect signatures. Next, you'll be asked to type a name for your template. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily find it later. For example, you might name it Client Agreement Template or Contract for Services. Once you've entered the name, continue to the Document Upload section. Now click on Upload to add your PDF file. A file selection window will open. Choose Desktop or the location where your PDF is saved, then select the file you want to upload. Once selected, DocuSign will upload the document into the template editor. After the document uploads, you'll need to fill in the required details, such as adding recipient roles. For example, you can define who needs to sign the document. You might label a role as signer or client. This step is important because DocuSign needs to know who will be interacting with the fields you're about to add. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click on Next, Add Fields. This will open the document editor where you can drag and drop signature elements directly onto your PDF. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options. To add a signature, drag and drop the signature field onto the area of the document where you want the person to sign. Resize and position it as needed so it aligns properly with your document layout. Next, drag and drop the initial field to any sections that require initials. This is commonly used for agreements where each page or section needs acknowledgement. After that, drag and drop the Date Signed field to automatically capture the date when the document is signed. Place it near the signature area so everything looks clean and organized. Take a moment to review all the fields you've added. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient role. This ensures the right person fills out the right sections. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Your template is now ready to use. From here, you can use this template to send out documents for signature anytime without rebuilding the layout again. And that's how you sign a PDF with DocuSign, by creating and preparing a template. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Create a template, upload your PDF, add signature and date fields, and save it for sending. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.